Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to record ProRes video on your iPhone. So first of all, let's enable it in your settings. Let's scroll down to camera section, now tap on formats. And here, if you scroll down to video capture section, you will see here Apple ProRes. And here is additionally some information about this format. So when enabled, let's go to camera, and now let's switch to video mode. In the top left, let's tap on this menu, and here you will find this ProRes format, and you can choose between log, HDR, and CDR. Basically, log provides highest dynamic range for editing, and the rest HDR and SDR formats. Additionally, here you can set your resolution, HD or 4K, and additionally change your frame rate. Okay, and now basically you can start the video recording simply by pressing this red record button. I need to note as well that ProRes videos are very large, and additionally internal recording is limited to 30 frames per second for 4K on some models of iPhones. So yeah, please keep that in mind. Let me just start this video just to show you. Let's record to 10 seconds and you will see that this video will be really large. Let's open it, let's go to its details, and as you can see, for 10 seconds I got okay, I didn't enable ProRes, so let's go to okay, so it says that I need to change my frames per second to lower, and let's go to log. So let's start this video and let me show you once again. Let's record something. Okay, so let's stop the video, let's open the video itself, let's go to details. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, for 10 seconds of ProRes log on 4K, and also how much frames per second, 4K and 30 frames per second, I got 984 megabytes of my storage for this video. So yeah, keep that in mind. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.